If you are wondering if we have AI features on OnePlus 15R, then the answer is yes. We have many different AI features and AI tools that we can use pretty much for free on this phone. We can find some of the basic AI tools provided by Google, such as the Gemini or Circle to search, but also we have some OnePlus AI tools, which most of them can be found by going to settings. Then over here, if you scroll down, we can find the OnePlus AI. We have the Mindspace, which is pretty much like a noting app, and that is based on screenshots and audio recordings. And then based on these screenshots and the audio recordings, we can, of course, get some AI summary. And you can ask questions. You can ask the Mindspace questions, which will use those all these memories that you have in here and then provide answers. So for example, if you take a screenshot of your, for example, calendar or something, you can get a summary of everything that you have in here. Although I'm pretty sure Mindspace can actually work with the calendar that is already implemented on your phone. And then you can ask such questions as when you have a specific event, or who is coming, or maybe what time it starts, and so on and so forth. But of course, this is just one example. You should be able to pretty much ask Mindspace about anything that is related to stuff that you have in here. And also, apparently, Mindspace is at this point integrated with Gemini as well. So maybe instead of using Gemini, you can use just Mindspace, since it is Gemini plus additional things that we have in here. So yeah. Now, in addition to that, we can also go ahead and find some more AI features in here, such as the AI search. And there's also the AI writer in here, which we can use quite easily for example, social media posts, but also for other apps that are listed in here. And we have AI translate option and AI voice scribe, which is used, for example, to summarize content of various media types into selected formats, as it is prescribed over there. There's also the AI service engine over here, which I assume is like an engine used to run these AI tools that we have over here. And I'm pretty sure we can find even more stuff that is related to AI. For example, if you go to photos, and if we try to edit a photo, then over here we have the AI editor, where we can find a bunch of different AI editing tools like Recompose, Eraser, Portrait Glow, Perfect Shot, Detail Boost, Unblur, and Refraction Eraser. So that's a pretty long list of various different tools that will definitely help you adjust your photos. And I believe also in the camera we can find a couple of different AI stuff, and let me actually try to see if I can quickly find them. We have, for example, smart suggestions, where you can get optimization suggestions in photo and video modes. So this is pretty much like a coaching tips, I guess. Some tips that you can use in order to improve your photos before you take them. So yeah, many different AI tools on this phone, and that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.